like it'd be a good spot to hang a porch swing from.
That's a good idea.
Put me some cables up there, run me a water hose around the cable so it don't hurt the tree.
Uh-huh.
Yep, I think
Okay.
I might do that. The summer's end brings a burst of colors, a melody of sounds, and a bounty of joy to our farm. Little chicks, little pigeons everywhere. This land has felt our sweat and our love, and we have cared for the creatures that share it with us and made it more beautiful and fertile. My sister gave me a partially finished porch swing. I figured it'd be a good project to fix up. I look forward to sitting on it, feeling the breeze, and watching the view. Why is that one so much lower than this one is?
I don't know.
Both of these boards is 12 inches tall. Oh, I see what it is. He got that part. Fucking crooked. The back's like that.
Yeah.
Let's see, he cut this board down here. And then this one just butts to it.
Right.
There's some crazy shit going on there. Yep. Some crazy shit.
How you gonna fix it?
I'm gonna cut a couple of inches off of this one and make it lower.
Okay.
And I sit on this side because I'm taller, my arm's higher, and your side can be lower because you're shorter.
Right.
That looks closer to the same, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Old dredge boater buddy mine says, you never saddle a dead horse. This end of the cable is dead. This is live. Always saddle the live horse. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You're welcome.
I'm trying to loosen this clamp enough I can slide that side down without loosening it too much. There it goes. All right, you can let go.
Hi. End of the summer, I'm gonna make a flower arrangement for the house. I find this really purple lavender-ish flower cone. I think it will make a great flower arrangement. I think it looks pretty good.
Summer is over, but the memories are still fresh. From hiking in the mountains, swimming in the ocean, floating down the creeks, exploring new cities. We had a blast and learned a lot along the way. We hope you enjoy watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Thank you for your support and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.